As you can see, we are finally taking down 6515 Peppermill Lane.
After an 18-month delay, the City of South Fulton has finally demolished its first blighted property. The campaign to demolish blighted and abandoned properties has been a passion project for Old National Councilman Khalid, who discovered shortly after taking office that no money had ever been specifically set aside in Fulton County or the City of South Fulton's budgets to address the issue.
So what I want people to understand is that we're talking in circles, but we ain't knocked down no houses.
In November of 2019, South Fulton City Council unanimously approved an ordinance authored by Councilman Khalid to create a restricted annual fund to support the seizing, repairing, and/or demolishing of blighted or abandoned properties.
You're going to be seeing this happening in every district across the city from now on.
For a full list of upcoming blighted property demolitions, visit khalidcares.com/news. And to receive mobile updates on these and other City of South Fulton events, text the word Fulton to 33777.